Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are cooking up some coconut curried steamed fish with okra. In today's recipe, we are using some Maggie all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, Aromat, another all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder and Maggie fish seasoning, tomato, spring and white onion, pimento seeds, no vegetable stock, red onion, and some bell peppers. We've also got some thyme, carrot, ginger and garlic, okra, and some Old Bay seasoning, jerk paste, and a can of coconut milk. The fish of choice for today's recipe is Coley. Snapper fish is the most popular fish to steam, but we fancied something a little different. You can choose whichever fish you prefer. The majority go nicely with the recipe. So we're going to begin by cleaning our fish. I'm scraping the scales and removing the guts on the inside. Once that's done, I'm going to leave my fish in a bowl for about 5 minutes with salt, vinegar and lemon juice to take off the rawness. To season my fish, I added together all my powdered seasonings apart from the Old Bay and then rub them into my fish. Everybody loves them some good steamed fish. It's tender, juicy and so delicious, and with Easter coming up, this is the perfect recipe to share. I've added in some olive oil after my seasonings, just so the seasoning sticks nicely to the fish. Whilst my fish is marinating, I'm chopping up the vegetables needed to make the sauce. I'm dicing some bell peppers fine, and I'm also slicing some bigger to add to the pot later. Next, I'm going to saute my chopped vegetables, so my tomatoes and bell peppers that I chopped up small, and the spring and white onions, my ginger and garlic. I've also added a tablespoon of turmeric for color and flavor. I came back to my pot after 5 minutes, and now it's time to add my coconut milk, rosemary, bullet pepper, thyme, some vegetable stock, my pimento seeds, about 100 ml of boiled water. I'm also adding the jerk seasoning, a tablespoon of all-purpose, and the Old Bay seasoning to my pot, and I'm going to leave that to simmer for around 15 minutes before adding my fish. You don't have to add too much seasoning to your sauce. The seasoned fish and the vegetables give it all the flavor it needs. Look at that, the pot are bubble and not seeing no trouble. So now we are ready to add in our fish. Along with our bell peppers, red onion, carrots, and a knob of butter. I'm also going to cut up my okra and add those to my pot, as well as my crackers and some white vinegar. The crackers and the okra are totally optional, but the texture and the taste are really nice with the fish. Here I'm pouring the sauce on top of the crackers so that they can steam with the fish. About 15 minutes after you added your fish, it will be cooked and ready to serve. No matter what fish you cook with this recipe or what sides you pair it with, it just tastes so good. Steamed fish goes great with everything. I went for some white rice and salad. And the next day I went for some crackers and fried bami, and they both went down so nice. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine.